on the next Chalkboard Chat Slate session. We'll be discussing the Entrepreneurial Learning Initiative as it was implemented inside of Parchman by Dr. Linda Keena of the University of Mississippi.
Because I'm extremely passionate about working with offenders and rehabilitation. What I enjoy most of all is watching people change their behavior, watching offenders that seem to have 3 strikes against them, hit the ball out of the park. That's been the most rewarding part.
And then we'll sit down with the founder and CEO of the Entrepreneurial Learning Initiative, Gary Shoeniger.
So I'm going to start with the why first. It's part of a lifelong fascination I've had with this really simple question. How do underdogs win? We've looked at the literature, created curriculum learning programs to teach people how to think like entrepreneurs.
That's Slate Session 202. Tune in Friday, July 16. Chalkboard Chat, an MPB Education podcast.